Hello there. I worked on updating Otok. First I opened Otok, opened the game manager script, and added this line which fixed a bug on the iOS version. Then made a banner for this channel that I already posted a video on, and added it to the channel. Created a new script, squash. Added some variables, added a little code, add the script onto the buildings, a little more code, and it works wonderfully, as can be seen here. Change this to this. I mean, at least they aren't as skinny. Locked speed above 0, looks very good. Turned this into a percentage, made the speed dependent on size to make the bounce more noticeable on small objects. Very nice. Created a new script, placed variables, code, wrote code for the jiggle, add this line of code, created this thing, then started adding all of the new stuff to the buildings. After going through all of these objects and adding all these little objects to jiggle, I realized that I can just jiggle the parent object. So I guess time to change the code. Well, that was a waste of a half an hour. Anyways, I changed this code. The objects weren't detecting the collision. I grabbed all the objects, added a rigid body, and disabled the gravity. Now they were definitely colliding. Flip that, the jiggling was for sure working correctly. Looks like the building was colliding with itself, and there was way too many jiggle scripts on the objects, so I added a layer called buildings, disabled building on building collision, added this code, still didn't work, now it just doesn't do anything. This is a little jarring, which I fixed by just sanding this little dude. Much better. Castles. I searched through the images to get some ideas. This looks very nice. I then modeled this little house. Very good. Then I made a rock and some new Patreon tiers. A couple more rocks. Big rock. Too big rock. Select the rocks. Run the script. Throw them into the project. Dingle dongle. Create the material. Prefab them, make some adjustments, generate colliders, rock placement, added a couple variables, wrote this nice bit of code, threw the rocks into there, made sure the rocks would be deleted, and no rocks spawned. I forgored. Basically, first time's the charm. Change the version, build, zip, upload, change the description, switch to iOS, throw into Google Drive, download, archive, upload again, wrote what changed, add the build, add to review, and submit. Thanks to my 3 patrons and 1 Ko-Fi supporter. Okay, goodbye.